Welcome to the Autonomous Bolts. In this video, I'll be showing you a set of pre-scripted commands using New Eagle's Raptor test. This allows you to set up a time-based sequence of commands to the system. We'll be able to use that to actuate all of the components of the autonomous kit on this vehicle. I will describe the route as we go along, so let's get right into it. The HMI will provide feedback that we are now in autonomous mode. The first script will drive us forward. So the PC is automatically taking control of the vehicle. I will keep an eye out for traffic, of course. We're now going to come to a stop. Now the shifter can switch into reverse. As we back up to the left, do a backwards J-turn, and the next portion will be a loop back to a similar spot. So here we go with the first turn of the loop, integrating the body control function of the right blinker. The vehicle is now going forward. We should do another right turn right about now. The automated test scripts can use all the functionality of the autonomous system, so we would be able to program the system to do anything from that automated window. The HMI is beeping rapidly to let us know that we are out of autonomous mode and we can now take control. I just put my foot on the brake to acknowledge that request.